Cam Ward sent it around. Kadri finds it first. Connor Carrick at the line. Here's Jake Gardiner. Winding, firing, scoring! Jake Gardiner with the blast.
Gardiner's fourth of the year is going to start with a really good read from Nazem Kadri. The puck's dumped in. Ward doesn't look, he just shoots it around the boards. First guy there is Kadri. He wins the puck battle on the boards. It goes back to the point where it goes side to side, Carrick to Gardiner, and Gardiner's shot goes all the way through clean and beats Cam Ward over the glove. But this is a good read by Kadri to get to the puck before Teravainen. The D-to-D pass opens up room for Gardiner.